Hello, everyone. I am Dr. Liza Long, and as a follow-up to using Gemini to help me troubleshoot my video assignments for my course, I want to show you how I'm now going to get Claude's Agentic browser to go in and fix all the assignments so that I don't have to do that manually. That's a lot of work. I actually had Claude create these assignments in the first place. So you're seeing my class right now, and this is the new text or web URL assignment. Gemini and I corrected the week one video response together. So I'm going to leave student view and I'm going to ask Claude, I need help changing the submission type for all video response assignments in this class. Instead of a media recording, which we previously had, I would like to have the online submission types be either URL or text. Do you have any questions? I always ask it that because you never know, right? So we'll get Claude. I'm just using Sonnet 5. This is not an Opus powered task. I do have automatically approve on. That's always risky. Be really careful what websites you're working with if you use automatically approve. And again, I'm using the paid version, the $20 per month version of Claude. Before I start, a few things I want to concern. I'm going to have it search for video types, text entry, and website. Yep. Okay. So it clarified what it's doing, and I think it knows what it's doing now, but it's kind of fun to see Claude take control, right? If you haven't seen that before, I always watch it to make sure that it's not going off track. And if it were going off track, I can click this stop Claude button and say, Claude, no. But look, it's on the right track. I think it's looking for video responses. It's found them all. And it's going to just go through and check and make those modifications for me, which is nice. It honestly doesn't do this really that much faster than I could do it myself. But if I've confirmed that it's doing what I want it to do, I'll often just kind of leave it to run in the background while I'm doing something else and then come back and check on it. So it's checked this one. This one should be correct. This was the one I did for it as an example. And it's checking and it's good. Hey, Claude, go on to the next one. Now, on a task like this, you might run up against token limits with the $20 per month plan. I haven't yet, but just be aware that you might run up with those. Okay, so here we can see it now. It's in the new assignment, and it is correcting this for me. Isn't that fun? It checked the box. Yay. All right, so I'm going to stop my share. I'm trusting that Claude knows what it's doing now, and that can be a really great way to save yourself a little bit of time so that you're not actually in there manually clicking boxes. I personally think this is the best use of AI. I don't have to manually click boxes anymore. Happy prompting. Have a great first week of class.